Updating your personal information on Telus is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your details are current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. Click on it to access your personal information. Step 3. Edit your information. In the Account Settings, find the option to edit your personal information. This may include your name, address, phone number, and email. Click on the Edit button next to the information you wish to update. Step 4. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, ensure you save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your changes. Step 5. Verify your updates. Once you have saved your changes, it is a good idea to log out and then log back in to verify that your updated information is displayed correctly in your account. By following these steps, you can easily keep your personal information up to date with Telus. Regularly checking your account ensures that you receive important communications and services without any issues.